The renowned Irish folk singer Dolores Keane has died at the age of 72. In a career spanning decades, she enjoyed national and international success, performing with Dannon in the 1970s before embarking on a solo career.
A member of a renowned County Galway musical family, Dolores Keane first came to prominence performing with her aunts Rita and Sarah. She'd been singing from the age of 2 and spoke of how it was second nature to her, given the sean-nós traditions she'd been exposed to in the family home.
Fancy brings a thought to mind of a flower.
By the mid-1970s, she was a well-known interpreter of song and joined Dannon soon after that group was formed. She went on to record several albums with then-husband John Faulkner before embarking on a solo career. Dolores Keane enjoyed national and international success.
I don't know if you can see the changes that have come over me.
Her 1988 recording of Dougie MacLean's Caledonia was among her most well-known, but her repertoire spanned the decades, leading the late Nancy Griffith to describe her as someone who had a sacred voice.
That's the reason why I seem so far away today.
Funeral arrangements have yet to be finalised, but Dolores Keane is expected to be laid to rest in her native Caherlistrane at the end of this week.